Thank you, Jamie. New tonight, sexual transmission of the Zika virus is more common than previously assumed. That is the word tonight from the World Health Organization. They held an emergency meeting today saying there is increasing evidence that a spike in birth defects is linked to Zika. The virus is mostly spread through mosquito bites. The White House is sending the director of the CDC to Puerto Rico, which has 102 Zika cases which were locally transmitted.
Dr. Frieden's trip will emphasize the need for preparedness and prevention to reduce the public health impact of the Zika outbreak in Puerto Rico, with a focus on reducing the risk of Zika virus to pregnant women who, as we have said, are the most at-risk population.
So here's a look at Zika cases across the U.S. Take a look at this. Everything you see here in blue, those states are the ones that have at least one case of travel-associated Zika virus in their state. They represent 153 cases. I checked with the Alabama Department of Health about Zika virus here in our state, and right now, out of 27 tests that have been submitted, there is one case reported. 3 tests are unspecified or negative. The state is still waiting on the results of 23 other tests. They tell me there is a backlog on that testing at the CDC and that the CDC does prioritize those tests as they come in. Now, the city of Birmingham is not taking any chances when it comes to the Zika virus. We want to go live to CBS 42 News reporter Matt Fernandez. He is at Railroad Park finding out exactly what precautions the city is taking to keep people safe. Matt?
Yeah, tomorrow night, mosquito control trucks will be out in full force, hitting neighborhoods and spraying.
Deadly little suckers that like to bite you, and I don't like anything that bite.
There have been no cases of the Zika virus reported here in Birmingham, but these trucks from the City of Birmingham Public Works will be spraying in 99 neighborhoods as a precaution against Zika and mosquitoes in general.
The Zika virus and any number of things can be transmitted. There are other things that are transmitted as well by mosquitoes. And just from an overall health perspective, we want to keep our citizens as safe as possible.
Don Lupo with the City of Birmingham says the spray is not harmful to humans, but people can request to not have spray in their area. Kanisha Cook welcomes the trucks in her neighborhood.
They can be a nuisance to a lot of the areas around, and especially with the kids in the park and so forth. It would be a great idea for the mosquito trucks to come out and spray.
The City of Birmingham Public Works has already been throwing these briquettes in standing water to cut down on the production of mosquitoes. An area known for heavy standing water is near Walter Upshaw's house, near 14th Street Southwest and Bay Avenue.
Anything to prevent mosquitoes, and we got a lot of standing water across the street from here. And if mosquitoes coming from there, they're coming here.
And they start to plan spraying around 7 o'clock tomorrow. I also talked with the city of Hoover. They usually start their spraying in May. They're going to start a month earlier in April this year. Reporting live, Matt Fernandez, CBS 42 News.